Attention! Attention! Oh, hey, hello! Welcome to my official groundbreaking of my channel where I discuss everything musical and pretty much anything in my life that's going on. But I'm pretty sure we'll figure it out as we go along. So, yes, I hope I woke you guys up. I hope this is very loud and obnoxious because that's the point. Thank you. Hello and welcome to my newest channel,
Kyle explains a lot of things.
I am a musician and I have a passion for it. I love to play guitar and drums and sing and play keyboards, maracas, cowbells, you name it. All these things I am interested in showing you it all. Unfortunately, I can't get to it all today because I have to save some for other video ideas. But today I'm going to show you a couple of tricks. As a drummer, have you always been looking for something new? Man, I need something exciting. I need a little bit more interesting drum fill. Kyle, how can you help me with this? Please, for the love of humanity. Well, you came to the right place because I'm going to show you a couple of tricks that you can add to your drum solo or drum fills and songs. Just to annoy your bassist, to annoy the other people in your band because I know they just want you to keep time. Oh, drummers, you just keep the time. Don't play too fast. Don't play too slow. I don't want you playing anything, right? I swear, it's like the bass player's like, you're going too fast. Oh, you're dragging. You're going too fast. Slow down. What was that? No, we've all been there. And it's very annoying, right? But as a drummer, we have the freedom to do whatever we want. To have the expression, to show what makes us unique as a drummer. Because we all have our own influences in music. And we take what we love and enjoy, and then we take our own spin on it, per se. So, I'm going to show you a couple of fill ideas, and yeah, let's go. Hey, welcome to my main kit. This is where the music I make, I record and practice. It's my DW Performance Series set. This isn't everything, but this is a part of it. A couple of them are in storage. So, the first thing is first is you want to stretch a little bit. Get little arms up like this. Like you don't put your hands up in the air like you don't care, right? Very important stretch. A lot of people just like to just do things, but trust me, when you get older, you're gonna start feeling it. So, our first step. All right, so we're at a gig. We want to come up with something cool, with a fill idea that will be just the right thing for you. Now, I did take this from John Bonham. I don't know what the heck you want to call it. It's some type of triplet beats, but it's a cool idea. I'll show you a little example. Just a little we're going to have here. Start off like this. All right. Simple as that. Very, very easy. So, to slow it down just a little bit, slow-mo it down. I find it, especially for me, learning things, slowing it down, you realize how simple things can be, drumming-wise, and guitar-wise for that matter. So, slow it down. Sounds like when the levee breaks for a second. Beginning. A little bit. Alright, now we're grooving. Now, there's another little idea, little doodle here. Simple little fill. I know, like usually when you play a drum fill, I keep it simple like that, or right. So I have an idea here for a little bit of triplets as well. So you start something like this. Something like that. You know, slow it down a little bit here, right? These are just ideas. Now eventually I'd like to write this out in sheet music and properly explain all the terms. I'm gonna get there someday. Some year. Alright, here we go. Let me slow this down here. Combine both of them, make a compound phrase here. Let's see how that turns out. I don't know what's going to happen here. This is complete improvisation. All right. There you have it. Now, I am going to stop here because I think I can sense my neighbors calling the cops because I'm making too much noise and it's a little past 7 p.m. So, alright, that is all I have to offer you for today. Now, in future reference here, this channel I'm making here will be all about music. It'll be about other things as well. I like to help other people out. I want to make some how-to-dos, some organization tips in terms with drumming, guitar playing, and other things in daily life. So if you have found this interesting enough, please subscribe, like, share, comment, tell me what you think. Any ideas? I'm open to a lot of ideas. And yeah, let's make this fun, all right?
So welcome 10 people, 2 people, 1 person, or just me. Whoever's viewing this, well, I hope you enjoy your time, and I hope you didn't regret your time wasted.
And today, I want to show you a couple of tricks that I really enjoy while playing drums. Okay, that. And you may be wondering why it's a little darker down here now. I like to record music on this, obviously. Wow, okay. Hey, that is all I have for you today. Now, go away.